All right, I'm going to this place called H Mart to get some ramen noodles. H Mart Korean grocery store. See, it's located on the side of the highway. All right, coming in here to get some of the best ramen noodles in the world. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute good. Choose which one. There's a good variety of them all on here. Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny. Try this spicy miso flavor. I'm gonna try this. I don't know what it says, but we're gonna find out. Absolute good. All right, got back from H Mart, and here are the spicy miso flavored ramen noodles. Absolute goodness. All right, now let's figure out how to cook these ramen noodles from H Mart. Let's see. What does it say? It says stovetop or the microwave. I think I'm gonna do stovetop, all right? I'm gonna do stovetop because I want this to be more authentic. Absolute goodness, all right? So as you can see right here, stovetop, it gives it directions. I think there's a little pictures, I like pictures. It says flakes and soup base with water and the ramen noodles in there. Cook, cook, cook. But let's actually read this. It says boil 50 milliliters, which is about 2 cups of water. Add noodles after you boil the water, soup base, and flakes. Cook for 4.5 minutes, stirring occasionally. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's go ahead and get the water. Got the water. That's 1 cup. That's 2 cups. Absolute goodness. Turn the water off. Let's get the flame going. Never, don't lose the flame. All right, let's see. How do you turn on the stove? All right. Got it cooking. We're gonna boil it. In the meantime, I'm gonna add a little bit more flavoration to it. I'm gonna add some green onion. Green onion. Green onion. Where is green onion? Green onion. I'm gonna add some green onion. Chop these up. All right. Chop up the green onion. Bring out some of these right here. Give me a cutting board. Green onion, all right? So I'm at the green onion, all right? Cut the green onion. All right, this is gonna add to the flavoration. The ramen noodles. All right. Cut up some green onion, all right? And I'm just gonna go ahead, oh, there's a little bit more green onion that I need to cut up. Smelling great. All right, so I'm gonna gather up the green onion and I'm gonna add this to the water. Come back over here. Look at that, green onion in the water. All right, get that nice and cooking. Meanwhile, I'm gonna come up, oh, there's a little bit more green onion I'm gonna add to it. Never waste green onion, all right? Never waste green onion. Then I'm gonna open up the package. Open up the package, and inside you have the ramen noodle circle block right here, and you have the crunchies. Absolute goodness. Eat some of the crunchies. All right. Go inside the bag. Oh look, there's more crunchies in there. Absolutely good. Go ahead and grab these. Nice flavoration. The miso. Let's just add this too. So you know what I'm gonna do? This is something I learned in chef school, all right? I'm gonna go ahead, open up the the vegetables. Go ahead and pour this on top, all right? This is what we call prep work. This is what we call prep work in chef school. And then the soup base, I'm gonna actually put that on top. It's not gonna go through because the ramen noodle block, right? The ramen noodle block is impermeable, all right? So it's not gonna leak through, all right? So I have that there. Now it's time to add this to, actually some leaked, my mistake. But I'm gonna add this to the water as it begins to boil already. You see that? And I'm just gonna flip it to get the flavoration in the water. And I'm just gonna boil this for 4 minutes like they say, as soon as this boils. Absolutely. It's been about 2 minutes. And I'm just going to stir-rate this ramen noodle block in here to make sure that it all gets permeated with the water. Absolute goodness. Can you smell this? We're going to come up to the screen, smell the ramen noodles, smell the green onion. Absolute goodness. You can see the flavoration packet has been dissolved, all right, in the water. The vegetables that were in the vegetable packet are now getting a little bit al dente, as well as the ramen noodles. I'm going to go ahead and taste one of the ramen noodles to see how it is. Let's see what ramen noodles. Have one right here. Almost lost it.